Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Wix and Joomla. So you know which one is better for building websites in 2025. Let's break it down quick and simple. Wix is a beginner-friendly, all-in-one platform. You don't need coding skills. It gives you drag-and-drop design, hosting, templates, and built-in features like e-commerce and SEO tools. It's perfect if you want speed, ease of use, and a polished site without much hassle. Joomla, on the other hand, is a content management system. It's open source, flexible, and more powerful for developers who want control. You can customize deeply with extensions and templates, but it does require more technical knowledge. Hosting, security, and maintenance are all your responsibility. So which should you pick? If you're a beginner or small business wanting fast results, Wix is the better choice. But if you're a tech savvy and want advanced customization, Joomla gives you more freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.